Six-pack abs, everyone wants them. But why is it so hard to get them? If you've been struggling with belly fat, trying every ab workout, and still seeing no results, you're not alone. Today we're uncovering the 7 biggest reasons people fail at getting abs. And trust me, it's not just about doing more crunches. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what's been holding you back and, more importantly, how to fix it. Let's get started. When we think about physical fitness, one of the most coveted symbols of health and athleticism is the six-pack. But when did abs become the gold standard of fitness? And why do so many people struggle to achieve this ideal? Let's dive into the history, the hurdles, and the emotional rewards of attaining defined abdominal muscles. The obsession with defined abs is a relatively modern phenomenon. In ancient Greece, sculptors revered the human form and often depicted athletes and gods with chiseled physiques. However, their focus was more on overall symmetry and strength rather than just abs. Fast forward to the 19th and early 20th centuries, and the fitness craze began taking shape with strongmen like Eugen Sandow, who displayed muscular physiques as a sign of vitality and power. It wasn't until the 1970s and 80s, with the rise of bodybuilding legends like Arnold Schwarzenegger and the influence of Hollywood action stars, that the six-pack abs became a cultural icon. Films, fitness magazines, and the explosion of workout videos in the 80s further reinforced the idea that having visible abs was the pinnacle of health and attractiveness. By the 2000s, abs became synonymous with fitness, dominating pop culture, Instagram, and fitness marketing campaigns. 7 reasons people struggle to get six-pack abs or a flat stomach. Reason number 1, excess body fat. Abs are made in the gym but revealed in the kitchen. For most people, excess fat stored in the abdominal region hides the muscles beneath. A calorie deficit, coupled with proper nutrition, is often necessary to reduce overall body fat. Reason number 2, poor nutrition choices. Highly processed foods, sugary drinks, and excess calories contribute to weight gain, particularly in the midsection. Without a clean, balanced diet, efforts to reveal abs often fail. Reason number 3, inconsistent exercise habits. Many people believe doing hundreds of crunches will magically reveal abs, but that's a myth. A combination of strength training, cardiovascular exercise, and core-specific movements is required for effective fat loss and muscle development. Reason number 4, genetics. Genetics play a significant role in how and where your body stores fat. Some individuals naturally store more fat in the abdominal region, making it harder to achieve visible abs despite their best efforts. Reason number 5, hormonal imbalances, stress, lack of sleep, and hormonal fluctuations, insulin resistance, or thyroid issues can affect fat distribution and hinder progress toward a flat stomach. Reason number 6, lack of patience. Building muscle and losing fat takes time, and many give up too soon because they don't see immediate results. The process requires consistent effort over weeks, months, or even years. Reason number 7, unrealistic expectations. Social media often portrays perfectly defined abs, but these images are often edited or depict athletes at their leanest. Maintaining such a physique year-round is unrealistic for most people, leading to frustration and disillusionment. Now let's discuss the emotional and physical benefits of achieving defined abs. For those who do achieve six-pack abs or a flat stomach, the rewards go beyond aesthetics. Physically, having strong abs contributes to improved posture, reduced back pain, and better overall core stability. But the emotional benefits can be even more profound. Number 1, boosted confidence. Seeing your hard work pay off in the form of visible abs can boost self-esteem and reinforce positive habits. Number 2, sense of accomplishment. Achieving a six-pack requires discipline and persistence, and conquering this challenge can instill a sense of pride and empowerment. Number 3, improved energy levels. A strong core often comes as part of a broader lifestyle change that includes better nutrition and regular exercise, both of which can enhance energy and vitality. Number 4, inspiration to others. Visible abs often serve as a motivator for others who are striving to improve their health and fitness. By achieving your goals, you can inspire friends, family, or even strangers to embark on their own journeys. While six-pack abs are not the sole indicator of health or fitness, their cultural significance continues to inspire people worldwide. However, it's essential to approach this goal with realistic expectations and a focus on overall wellness. For most, the journey toward a flat stomach or defined abs becomes a transformative process that enhances not just their physical appearance, but their mental strength and emotional resilience. Remember that your worth is not defined by the visibility of your abs, but by the effort and dedication you put into becoming the best version of yourself. So if you've tried to develop a six-pack or flat stomach and haven't succeeded in the past, get ready for excellent results that will surpass anything you've previously achieved. These get you fit now. Routines are fresh, unique, different. Can you imagine looking at your stomach and loving what you see in just a few weeks? Look, six-pack abs aren't just about looks. They're about feeling stronger, more confident, and transforming your mindset. But remember, fitness is a journey, not an overnight result. So if you're ready to stop wasting time and start seeing real changes, hit that subscribe button and join my Get You Fit Now program for workouts that actually work. Try these techniques, stay consistent, and trust me, you'll be looking at your stomach and loving what you see in just a few weeks.